دم أخلي جنتي حالتنا يموتون بين السوق ما قاعد ورد سنتين يا هلاي ما يشرمتين كوا لكن أنا كبر صمالة الأسوق كلا شوف ماشي أنا تساحن يسوع أنا دقني سو وحرق لي حبضن وقرش قري قرش لعق وسسبيل نكاح مركو اسمه إلى جوجي سدح بلود عمل وبحر
Hello children officer, how are you? Morning. I have a case. He promised her heaven, whereby he will not do anything for her. When he gets her, the few months that he's been given visa to stay in the country, he will stay with her and get the marriage. You know, he will take her to a sheikh, they will engage each other, she can get pregnant, and this man, when he goes back, he leaves her in a pathetic way. This lady, she doesn't know the way forward. She is there to suffer alone.